Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at the DS-Lite CarPlay adapter from Dash Streamers. This is a 3-in-1 media-based adapter for wired, factory and aftermarket CarPlay systems that allows you to not only connect your iPhone or Android wirelessly, but also allows you to stream video and music from the pre-installed YouTube, Netflix and YouTube Music apps to your CarPlay display. You can also play local video and music from an inserted USB drive, cast wirelessly from your iPhone over Wi-Fi, and this small adapter also comes with a full-size HDMI output port to mirror all of this content onto an external display in the car too. In the box you get the DS-Lite adapter itself, a full-size HDMI cable, 2 USB power cables, 1 USB-A to C cable and 1 USB-C to C cable for more modern CarPlay ports. There's no physical manual, but the QR code on the back of the box will send you directly to its digital manual instead. The shiny black adapter is compact in size, so this makes it easier to stow away in the car. It features the Dash Streamers logo on top. There are passive cooling vents on the two sides and also on the bottom. One side features a USB-C port to power the adapter, whilst on the other side there is a USB-A input port for media playback and pass-through charging, and a full-size HDMI port sits next to it for connecting to an external display. So with the DS-Lite all covered, let's jump in the car now and I'll show you my top favourite features that this DS-Lite adapter can do. So my first favourite feature is its menu system. It's nice, clean and modern with a simple one-page access to the majority of its functions. There's an app drawer at the bottom that once pressed will reveal all the additional pre-installed apps. Tapping either CarPlay or Android Auto buttons from the main menu will allow you to connect your phone wirelessly to your CarPlay display without the need to keep plugging in a cable into your phone every time. If you find yourself waiting in the car for long periods of time and you want to watch a movie or catch up on your favourite YouTuber, you can connect this adapter to a Wi-Fi hotspot and fire up the 3 pre-installed Android apps and watch the latest blockbusters on Netflix, stream videos on YouTube, or listen to your favourite music playlist on YouTube Music. The DS-Lite also comes with a TV app which allows you to stream hundreds of IPTV shows to your CarPlay display. From sports and movies to kids TV shows, there's plenty here to keep you entertained. If you prefer to watch your content offline, you can simply plug in a USB drive full of content into the adapter and watch or listen to this content from the adapter's built-in media player. If that's not enough already, you can wirelessly mirror all the content that's simply on your phone to your CarPlay display, thanks to this adapter's ability to connect to your phone over Wi-Fi and screen mirror or cast specific app content to your car display. And finally, this adapter has one extra trick up its sleeve, and that's HDMI output. If your car has an HDMI external display, you can simply plug in and mirror the feed from this adapter to the displays in your car. For example, you can entertain your passengers in the back with content playing from this adapter. Retailing for $189, this DS-Lite from Dash Streamers offers a simple and easy way to play various media content on your CarPlay display. And I'll leave links to their website down in the video description down below so you can learn more about this adapter and buy yourself one. CarPlay and Android Auto can only offer so much entertainment in the car, but once you've plugged one of these adapters into your car USB port, you have even more video and music content available at your fingertips. So if your entertainment seems lacking in the car, consider this DS-Lite adapter and its ability to liven things up. Alright, I hope you found this brief look at the DS-Lite adapter helpful. If it has, hit that like button down below, and comments are always welcome if you have any questions about this specific adapter from Dash Streamers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.